How to fix Binance facial verification not working. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you some of the methods on how to solve your Binance facial verification not working. Sometimes your facial verification in Binance may not be working if you use the sneaky photo filters. You know those cool filters that make your photo look amazing? Well, Binance is not a fan of them during the facial verification process because they need a real unaltered image to match with the one on your very ID. So before you snap that verification pic, you have to make sure that you turn off any filters or any effects and keep it natural. Sometimes the lighting is also the reason on why you are facing the facial verification attempt problem. If it's too dark or too bright where you are, the system might struggle to recognize your features accurately. To increase your chances of success, find a well-lit area and avoid using the flash when capturing your ID or your face. You can dim the lights and create a cozy ambience for the verification process. Sometimes the quality of a connection also matters because when the connection is not nice and if it's spotty or unreliable, it can also cause delays or even lead to the verification failures. So before you blame yourself, you have to check your internet connection and make sure it's strong and stable before diving into the facial verification journey. Sometimes a beard on the face or no beard on ID may also make it different for the verification matter. Therefore, by following the tips, you also increase your chances of sailing to the Binance facial verification process smoothly. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.